Power BI desktop download. Am I right? Then accept it. So here we have a download Microsoft Power BI desktop. We will get here two options. We have to choose English because we need English only. Then we have to click on download. So you can see here we are getting Power BI desktop setup underscore x64, right? Okay, we can go in a download folders. So here download folders, right? You have to go. Then you have to right click, or otherwise you can double click on Power BI. And then here is English setup only. Okay, we need setup. Here multiple language, whatever you want choose, but as per in India we are using English, we can use. Then we have to click on next. Then we will get this pop-up. You have to click yes. So now Windows installer, you can see preparing to install. Then we have to click on next again. Then we have to read what are the license terms here. Microsoft Power BI desktop. And then we have to accept it. And then we have to next. And you can choose your location. And then again next. And then installed. So now you can see we have a successfully installed. Okay, the finish. Let's wait. Now we are opening Power BI. This is a very powerful tool which we have to understand right today. I am not taking more time. I understand I took more time, and now you installed the overview. So this is a home page. Okay, here blank report, 1 lakh catalogs, Excel, workbook, SQL, learn with simple data, get data from other source, and the recommendations. So what is the mean here? You can directly import files from SQL Server, Excel, 1 lakh, whatever. Otherwise you can go to here one blank. Okay, this is a blank reports. It means we didn't import any data, and now we can go to inner data, get data, and we will get some options to choose whatever we have file, Excel file, Power BI, like a semantic models. Okay, so semantic models we have to create, and how can create I teach you later.